Hi there, Kira here with another mini album flip through for you. This was using my February Wild Hair kits, and I made a little mini album. It's a envelope mini album, and it's for all the pictures that my son takes. So he's 3 years old, he's really into taking pictures right now. And so I titled this Future Explorer. I thought it'd be cute to have a little mini album with his photos, and then kind of a little journaling about what he likes to take pictures of right now and what he's into. And so yeah, this is it. So I made it, I have this vellum that I have tied together all of the envelopes with, and I just made envelopes that fit 3x4 photos. And then I Velcroed each of the envelopes like so. So inside holds all of his pictures, and then a little bit of journaling about what he takes pictures of. So got some little Lego guys there. And then I did, a little embellishing on each of the envelopes, and then more photos inside. He really likes to take pictures of his Lego guys. A picture of Brother's Blankie and his fire truck. And his little racetrack. And then I just made a little note about Blankie being there as well. That's his Blankie. And I just kept it really simple, and just included just a little bit of journaling in there so he can look back and see the pictures that he took. Picture of our dog, Folsom. And these ones are some pictures of Brother in there. And that is everything. He takes much more pictures than this, but a lot of them don't turn out very clear. They're a little blurry, so those are the ones that actually turned out. And I just thought it would be cute to put them all in a little mini album for him. So that's everything. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Have a good day. Bye.